Are you ready to get sales, leads, traffic explosively for your business, for your freelance career, for your entrepreneur business? Then you need to take this 3-step traffic challenge. Is totally free, especially if you are for Freedom Business members, and all the details are in the link in the description. And what you have to do is, what you will be getting is, the first is the power of the community. The entire community is taking part in this challenge. I mean, Jonathan Montoya has a huge following, so you will be able to take advantage of the power of his branding and the community. The second thing is that you will be learning from super affiliates. These are all 6-7 figure earners, and all this training is free for those taking part in this traffic challenge. And the third thing is, you will be pushed out of your comfort zone. Okay, you need to take massive action to be a part of this program. So if you have been delaying this and you have been thinking that, I don't know, I need that push, so this is the thing. So get started, look at the description, get yourself set, because it starts very soon.